Hi all, welcome back to Chris Creations. Today I'll be sharing my top 5 favorite kitchen essentials. These are the most used items that I used while cooking in the kitchen. I really like Wusa Classic knives because they're super durable, sharp, and really easy to hold and handle, especially for someone like me who has smaller hands. I use it for all my chopping and food prepping needs. So because I do a lot of chopping and cutting, I need a cutting board. I really like the reversible perfect pastry board because one side is just a plain cutting board, while the other side is great for baking. And as I love to do both, this is a great one to have to save space. I also prefer a wooden cutting board so that it doesn't dull my knives. When I need to put my utensil down, instead of putting it directly on the counter or a paper towel, as I hate wasting paper products, I use a spoon rest. This one is from Crate & Barrel French Kitchen Marble. I especially love the spoon rest because it is marble and I have an obsession for marble, and it's super easy to clean and wash. Although this saucepan isn't big or can hold much food, I actually use my Le Creuset signature saucepan a lot. I really like the size and durability of it. It's perfect for making my daughter's mac and cheese or heating up a can of beans. It makes the perfect portion for when you just want something small like a side dish or for toddler meals. These are the Chris Creations stainless steel and gold chopsticks. They come in handy when I'm eating or cooking. I use them all the time to scramble eggs or when I'm eating. Chopsticks are a must-have in my household, and my daughter loves to practice using them when eating rice or noodles. So these are my favorite kitchen essentials that I use on a daily basis. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more. Thank you.